Hello, I'm Patrick Jameson, and today we're going to install the PGT vinyl double hung window. In this video, I'm going to unpackage the product and show you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Here is the PGT vinyl double hung window. I am now ready to unpackage it safely. I'm going to remove the full screen to prevent damage. There's a couple of baggies that were included behind the screen that I'll save for later. Here are some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. Starting with the right size level, impact screw gun, screwdrivers both Phillips and flathead, double hook balance tool, razor knife, tape measure, jam spreader, glass cup, and the appropriate sealant. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product and showed you some of the suggested tools you'll need for this install. In the next video, I'm going to install the PGT vinyl double hung window.